Bitcoin trend analysis. March 6, 2026, Friday. The brutal, month-long winter that has defined the start of the year is finally over. After a catastrophic and punishing sell-off that plunged the market into an abyss, a powerful and undeniable signal of hope has been confirmed. A new bull trend has been born, setting a powerful and optimistic tone for the entire month of March. Looking back, the entire month of February was a bloodbath of bulls, a painful landscape of cascading declines. This is perfectly captured on this higher timeframe chart by the predictive indicator below the price, which painted a long and punishing descent in yellow. But that great storm has finally passed. After a climactic final plunge, the yellow line carved out a definitive V-shaped bottom, and as the new month opened, it turned a vibrant, hopeful blue and began a steep, powerful ascent. This is a classic and profound bullish divergence on a macro scale, signaling that the underlying momentum has reversed with incredible force. Today, Friday, March 6th, the session is defined by a healthy and constructive consolidation after a spectacular multi-day rally. The price has successfully shattered the white moving average and is now holding firmly above it. This critical line, which acted as heavy resistance for weeks, has now become a powerful floor of dynamic support around the 69,000 level. The monthly liquidation heat map provides a stunningly clear picture of this new market structure. The recent breakout was a monumental event. The price successfully tore through a massive, bright yellow band of liquidity that had formed a fortress of resistance between 66,000 and 72,000. Having conquered this war zone, the market is now building a new foundation on top of it. The path of least resistance is now clear for an assault on the next major cluster of short liquidations, a tempting pool of money that begins to build around the 74,000 level, with larger targets much higher. The volume speaks with the force of a final verdict. The chart shows a massive purple spike of selling volume at the absolute low, a classic sign of selling climax and capitulation. The subsequent recovery and breakout have been fueled by a return of strong, sustained buying volume. The best trading strategy in this new environment is to align with this powerful new bull trend. Shorting into this strength after a major market bottom is extremely dangerous. The highest probability play is to look for buying opportunities on dips toward the white moving average support. The probability of a reversal back into the old downtrend is now exceptionally low. The market has signaled a major bottom, and the bullish outlook for March is strong. Condition for continuation. This is now the path of highest and clearest probability. For this new uptrend to flourish, the bulls must successfully defend the white moving average and the top of the conquered liquidity fortress, specifically holding above the 69,000 level as their primary line of support. A successful bounce from this area would solidify their control and confirm the next major leg higher is underway, targeting the 74,000 resistance zone. Condition for reversal. A reversal would now require a catastrophic failure. The bears would need to force the price to break down all the way through the massive 66,000 to 72,000 liquidity fortress on an overwhelming spike of selling volume. This would invalidate the entire bullish macro reversal and signal that this was the most brutal bull trap in recent memory. Given the current momentum, this is a very low probability outcome. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more just like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and helps us keep creating awesome content for you. Don't forget to like the video so we know you're loving it, and drop a comment to let us know your thoughts. We read every single one. And if you think someone else would enjoy this too, hit that share button and spread the love. Let's grow this community together. Thanks for watching. You're the reason we do what we do.